for some 80s luxury to take a look at it, unique especially in classics. Check it out, 1985 Buick LeSabre Limited Collector's Edition 2-door. Black in color, as you can see, with the red pinstripe. Kind of a deep wine interior, beautiful interior. And get this, only a little over 40,000 original miles on this car. Take a look at the front bumper, headlight surrounds, grille. Now if you're familiar with these cars, the body styles, GM with the filler panels, lots of times this is cracked or rotted out. After age, sitting outside, you can tell this car appears it was stored indoors. That filler panel is still there. Wait till you see the dash and the interior. This car will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price, and that may be extendable out 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can do that at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. That's where you can check out all the still pictures. Underneath the hood, 5-liter V8, great power plant. Power steering, power brakes, AC, so nicely equipped. The Buick wheel covers, smoked wheel covers. It does come with the tool for getting off that wheel cover. It'll be in the glove box. Also, the owner's manuals will be in there as well. Take a look at this interior. Nice, deep wine interior. Shows very little wear. Look at the top of this dash. It's like new. We'll get around to the driver's side. Check that out a little bit closer. Partial vinyl roof. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Another thing that I'd like to mention is we have an open door policy. Third-party inspectors, you want somebody to come and take a look at this car for you because you don't have the time to do it or maybe distance traveled, what have you. Have a third party come and look at it. Report back. We try to represent these as fairly as we can with all the pictures that are taken and the videos that are done. As we took a little peek at that rear filler panel too, also nice shape, not cracked, not broken out, not aged. Now, the paint on it, it's black. There's some little touch-ups here and there throughout the car. I mean, it is a 1985, and it's black. So there's imperfections in the paint that have been touched up. But overall, does the car show well for its age? Absolutely. Be a fun car for taking your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, just driving this one. This car will go down the road nice. The Buicks this era, long wheelbase, very comfortable cars to ride in and go down the road with. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. We take a look up and down the driver's side. Just some little spots like that, kind of here and there as you go. But like I said, paint has a nice shine to it, and overall, it does look nice for its age. Now, let's check out this interior. First of all, door panels, power windows, power locks, remote mirror. Look at how nice the trim is in the interior. Sometimes you would see this starting to delaminate up on the tops of the doors. Nice shape there. Really not much wear in that armrest. Again, what you'd expect with a lower mile car. Something else I want to show you is this come around here saying, right there's the true color of that interior. It's a nice deep wine color. It's one of those colors when I get up on top of it, it might start to wash it out. So I want to let you know that there's your true color of that interior. As you can see, power seat on the driver's side. It is a split bench seat, fold down armrest. That goes down. Now, when I get right up on top of this, it wants to wash that out. That is not the color of that seat. Once again, back off, get back here. There's the true color of that seat. So I got pretty darn good pictures of them. Look in the still pictures, you'll see what I'm saying. Tilt column, cruise control, AM, FM cassette radio. I have not gotten the radio to come in. The little digital does not light up. I want to make you aware of that. Here's your exact miles, 40,278. Start up that 5-liter. Like I said earlier, take a look at this dash. This car is not sat outside That's the original dash. Very, very nice shape. Again, collector's edition. What a great looking interior. And there's hardly any wear at all on these seats. Of course, the nice, comfortable, soft, cushioned seats with the limited. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Sounds like you'd expect. 5 liter from 1985 to sound. Of course, that'd be I'm going to pause this a second. This is a big hood. Need both hands to get it up. And we'll come back and wrap up this video. Underside of the hood, check out this hood liner. You can tell this car has been driven in inclement weather. It has a very clean hood liner and lack of corrosion, rust in the engine compartment. Just look at how clean it is. Steering, power brakes, AC. Smooth runner, reliable power plant, good looking engine bay. You can see pictures of the engine bay also on our website, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan, may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. Phone number is 507-386-1726. It's a 1985 Buick LeSabre Limited Collector's Edition 2-door. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1985 Buick LeSabre. There is one light on the dash that says fasten seatbelts, but my seatbelt is fastened. Our blinker indicators are working. Speedometer works. Fuel gauge is showing 3/4. Our wipers work. Blower motor also does function. Acceleration is what you would expect. Very comfortable seats. It says the plush pillow top style interior, which is very, very comfortable, like a couch at home. Power windows are working. If I let off of the wheel, she stays nice and straight. Maybe a slight drift to the right. Could be one of the tires. This car started right up and purred great. Good running motor. Brakes work well. Let's go around the corner. It's one of those mid-80s luxury cars that really float on the road, meaning you don't feel the bumps. Very comfortable ride. Radio picks up static. It may be that the antenna is not functioning. Very smooth riding. Collector's Edition 1985 Buick LeSabre. Check out all the pictures and all the details at uniqueclassiccars.com.